Hey guys, surprise! It's a surprise video! Yay! It's Friday and I'm giving you an extra video because this is going to tie into Tuesday's video. Yesterday when I went thrifting, I went to St. Michael's, which was the first haul I ever did here on YouTube. And so we are going to circle back about 6 months. I went there September 3rd of 2020, and we are going to go over what has sold and what has not sold since then, and was it worth it. So stay tuned if you're interested in any of that information. I am Dolla Docta Jennifer here, and this is my reseller YouTube channel with a little DIY mixed in. I am a full-time veterinarian and a part-time reseller on platforms like Mercari, Poshmark, eBay, Kitizen, Depop. And like I said, we're going to revisit this this haul. I'm not going to put in video because it was awful. It was so bad. I'm not going to put that in. I am going to throw up the solds over here. And I'll also throw up the stuff that, if I still have it, that I did not sell yet. So, a couple things, well, one thing I donated, it looks like. So, I got my whole papers. Anyway, so let's start with what sold, obviously. The total that I spent for the day, because it was fill a bag for $8, was $8. And I got 17 items for $8, which made my average cost of goods that day 47 cents, which was amazeballs. So, very excited about that. And, so let's see. Out of 17 items, I donated one. It was a very vintagey looking men's shirt, and just, it wasn't giving me joy anymore, so I donated at the beginning of the year. And then I sold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I sold 7 items, so that's only 8 out of 17. Not the best, but I will say the total money I got for those 8 items was $88.67. So I went from $8 to $88.67, which is good. I mean, that's about 1,000% increase. So I'm not mad about that. That means anything else is, I mean, like profit at this point. And I will say a lot of the stuff in this that is left from this haul is in my 6 for $30 sale right now. So if you're interested in anything you see that's still available, you can get 6 items for $30 right now. You can then resell them, or you can keep them for yourself, or you can gift them to a friend, you can gift them to a family member, you can gift them to your pet. I don't care what you do with them. But spring cleaning time is here. So, let us start just from the top of the page. This is actually my most recent sale as well, and it was in my last what sold video last week, I think, actually. And that's a Visconti black Southwest style button-up, extra large. Like I said, everything was 47 cents, and that took 171 days to sell. So that was not the best turnaround, but price-wise, it was one of my highest profits at $29.13. So I'm definitely glad I picked it up. I picked it up mostly. I mean, the brand is a very expensive brand, but resale-wise, it was kind of all over the place, but I just really liked it, so that's why I got it. And, I mean, I was happy with that sale. So, yeah. Second, this was a buy-sell trade, ended up being a buy-sell trade sale for not much profit, $1.68, but it was a Jones, New York sport cheetah print long sleeve shirt, size small. I don't have a picture of that one anymore. It was just like basically a shirt with cheetah print. It wasn't anything super exciting. Anyway, next was this tea turtle shirt, Death on a Pony. This is like, I love this shirt still. If I found it in my size, I would probably buy it. I made $4.81 on that shirt, and I think it was sold in one of my 3 for $25 bundle sales. So I'd still pick that up 100%. Same with the next item that I sold, which was a Rubik's Cube t-shirt. It was blue and it was a size medium. It made me $4.86, and I think it said, if you got a problem, I'll solve it. Great. You know, vanilla ice, love. So I would definitely pick that one up again as well. Any kind of graphic t-shirts I usually will pick up. And you will see I got a bunch more at St. Michael's on the haul that I'm going to be doing on Tuesday. Sorry, got lost for a second. Tuesday. Okay, so let's see. Next was Southern Lady 1X Zebra Cardigan. This is really cute. I picked it up mostly based on style. It was black, white with some silver thread as well. Really cute. I think it's sold in a bundle as well. I made $11.53 on it. So also a good sale that I really liked, and I would probably pick up again. I actually did look at their cardigans when I was there the other day to see if they had any other ones, but I didn't see any. And then I sold this Lilo and Stitch tank, Wild and Free, medium 7/9, so I think it was juniors, and I made $3.53 on it. It was cute. It sold in a 3 for $25 bundle, I'm pretty sure. And then lastly, which was the highest profiting item, were these Weegens Bass Black Loafer Tassels, size 5.5. They got me a profit of $33.13, and they took 79 days to sell. The thing that, sorry, I missed all the other ones, but the one that sold the fastest was the Tea Turtle Death shirt. It sold in a day. Then the Lilo and Stitch sold in 16 days. Rubik's Cube sold in 19 days. Southern Lady took 65 days to sell. So those are the solds for that haul. I mean, for $88.67, I'm pretty happy with it. Obviously, I want to get everything sold because that's the point. You don't want to have like a bunch of junk around. So now I'm going to throw up. Every time I say that, I feel like I'm going to get sick, like I'm going to throw up. Anyway, I'm going to put here the stuff that didn't sell yet. So we have Lauren Conrad white shorts with crochet details, and they are a size 10. They are still available in my Poshmark store. A Dress Barn ombre flutter sleeve shirt, size small. I really still love this shirt. I think it's gorgeous, and I don't understand why someone hasn't bought it yet, to be honest. So all of these, like I said, are in my 6 for $30 sale. So if you're interested, definitely check out my Poshmark closet. The link is down below. It is at Dolla Docta Jen, Jenn. So check it out if you're interested. And also, if you're enjoying this content and you find me, slightly amusing, then definitely subscribe to my channel for lots more amusements and information. And hit the like button if you're enjoying this video as well. I have not been saying that in my last videos, so I need to start doing better. Subscribe today. Okay, so next was a Land's End floral shirt, extra small, size 2 to 4. I have taken this to buy, sell, trade a couple times, I think, or at least once, and they did not take it at that point, but it was winter, so. But it is for sale in my closet. And then I have an Anke Casuals zip-up jacket, size medium. I don't know why, but I just love this jacket. I think it's so pretty. So it is also for sale, and I think I did put it in my sale, my 6 for $30. Can I say it again? 6 for $30, 6 for $30. Anyway, Then next is another really fun shirt. It's a vintage Fashion Classics pink sandal shirt. Extra, extra, extra large, but I would say it fits more like an extra large. And it is really cute. It has embroidered sandals, as you'll see. It has little embroidered sandals along the bottom, and then the buttons are all sandals, which is really fun. And I also am hoping that will get sold soon because, you know, spring and summer are coming, and it's a more summer shirt, and I kind of got it closer to fall, so that might be why it didn't sell yet. And then this really fun purple polo shirt with bowling stuff all over it. I thought this was fun too. It says strike, and it's all embroidered. It's a really nice shirt, and someone who loves bowling needs to buy it. If you know someone that loves to bowl, great present, and it's a size medium. So get to it. And then this is another one I thought was really cool looking. It has 100%, it's 100% cotton, but the trim is leather. It's a Walter Girl tan jacket, size medium. It's kind of like safari-ish looking to me, but I think it's, I don't know if it's vintage, but it looks kind of vintagey. I just think it's really cool, and it's a very expensive brand, but I haven't really had much interest in it. I think I did just put it in my sale just to be done with it. So check out my closet for that. And then these I definitely put in my sale. They are Joe's jeans. They're violet blue color, and they're a 32 waist, and they're the skinny jeans. They are like in excellent condition. Joe's jeans are super expensive, and I did pick up another pair of Joe's jeans. Little secret from the haul coming on Tuesday. So get excited and watch my haul Tuesday. Thanks, Kay. And lastly, this Cubs blue tank top. It's a racer back, size small. I'm actually surprised they still have this. A lot of my sports stuff goes pretty quickly, but I've got a couple pieces. I've got that from this haul, and then I have like a really cool Cowboys like puffer jacket that did not sell this winter, which I am shocked about because it's really awesome. It's a reversible jacket, so if you love the Cowboys, check it out. It's in my Poshmark closet, and it's on my eBay. Yeah, it's just in those two places right now. So those are my not solds. Let me know in the comments kind of what you think. If you're surprised by what I sold, surprised by what didn't sell, if you would pick up this stuff, let me know. I'm just curious. I just kind of wanted to do a recap since I haven't really done anything like that yet. Since this was my first haul ever, I thought it would be fun to take a little trip down memory lane, back to when I was young, naive, and just not the reseller I am today. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a great week, and I hope your weekend is going to go amazing. I am working tomorrow. Yay! And then in the afternoon, I'm actually going to be teaching a girl I know how to use Poshmark. So that should be interesting as well. Okay. I hope you guys have a great evening or day. I don't know what time it is. I'll be honest. And remember to help control the pet population, have your pets spayed or neutered. Bye, guys.